Kuringana na njanji wa igoti ria Thika Stella Atambo, ni hari bata aciari kugiaga na ihinda ria kwaraniria na ciana ciao, mamatare na mamonie njira iria ingirigiriria kuna watho. Akiaria hindi ya icera muciini wa guthaitira ciana wa Mateo mwena wa Gatuanyaga, Atambo ahithuritie ati namba ya maciira ma ciana ikoretwo ikiambatira na gikiro kia iguru, undu uria arauga ni ugwati na korwo aciari no methe njira ingi cia gwetha kihonia kia mathina ta maya, no gukorwo ari wega ithenya-ini ria kuhanda maciira igoti-ini.
Every little offense a child makes, you don't have to bring them to court. There are other ways of trying to rectify this child. Let the court be the last option. Let remand be the last option. And so it's not a challenge because it is something we can sit as a community and talk about and discuss.
Ihoya rikitio kuri aciari gutaukwo migendere ya ciana ciao na makiria ihinda-ini riri mathiete rutha ruraya na magerie kumariria niguo mataukwo maundu maria mangicungiriria makorwo magithie mugaru na watho.
We might have cases of defilement on the rise, cases of children probably in conflict with the law. And remember, we have the Romeos and Juliets, the 17, 16-year-olds. Parents, just beware and just take time out with your children.
Mucii uyu wa Mateo uri na ciana itanyihiire 50 arugamiriria guo makiuga makoretwo makiheirio ciana itanyihiire 30,000 kuma nja wa mucii uyu, ona gutuika ni mahoete andu a wendi mwega kumahura njeki niguo mahote gutwarithia na mbere mubango uyu.
Sometimes we don't have the resources to take care of them. So we feel that when they are here with other children, maybe in terms of the play group or getting the necessary resources, it's better they are here.
Ne tukoragwo tukirutithania wira na teenage mothers. Tuiritu turia tunini below 18 tugite ciana, tukamahe encouragement, tukamahe counseling, tukamarigiriria gucoka cukuru na tukariria aciari maikare na ciana icio.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.